Bitcoin is holding so far pretty good above these white lines right here. In today's video, we are going to have a look at Bitcoin. We're going to have a look at this chart. We're going to talk about the next rate cut of the Fed. I'm going to share with you some Willp data. And we are going to look at this chart, which might be front-running Bitcoin, guys. This is really interesting. So let's jump straight into it. And yeah, just simply said, guys, I think for the next 60-day cycle, I've been talking about this already for some time. That would be roughly at the 5th or 6th November. It can be a couple of days off, of course, but you generally don't want Bitcoin to lose these support levels. And we have the first white line right here at 67,600. We have the resistance right here of this declining channel at 66,800 roughly, and we have this uptrend right here coming in also roughly below, depends where on time we are going to reach that level, or 65,000 US dollars. So we definitely don't really want Bitcoin to go below these levels, because the moment we get below these levels, this bullish structure, like a 6-month consolidation resolving to the upside, this bullish breakout will actually be invalidated. But yeah, right now there's not the case yet. When we look at stablecoin dominance, this is an inverse chart with Bitcoin. It is not showing a breakout. So far, we're still getting some resistance right here. So yeah, hopefully this chart doesn't break out, because if this chart breaks out to the upside, Bitcoin 100% will see a bigger correction, maybe going to the lower 60k levels once this is really pushing up. So that's something to watch. Sometimes this chart breaks out earlier than Bitcoin, so you can actually already anticipate exactly what's happening with Bitcoin when you look at this chart. Then guys, the next Fed rate cuts are coming, and they actually expected to be announced until like around the 7th of November. And it's very interesting, because that's also the moment where we are going to see the president being elected, right? So it's all around the same area where that next 60-day cycle low is heading, like 5th, 6th or 7th November. So there's probably a lot of volatility that might come until that day, because of the uncertainty in the United States and all the things that are happening, right? The new president is coming, rate cuts are coming, and these are most of the time pretty significant for the investors' confidence, the investors' mood in the markets. So yeah, so be careful in the next coming days. Then when we have a look at Willp, we can actually see that the momentum indicators has been retracing pretty good right now, already getting going a little bit up right here. But yeah, it's weekend price action in Bitcoin generally is not the most significant. Often we open on Sunday evening, where we closed on Friday midday. So yeah, today is Saturday, so I wouldn't expect too much for it. But the interesting thing right here, guys, is this. This is the gold chart, and the gold chart actually made a similar pattern as Bitcoin. Also kind of like a... You can view this as a inverse head and shoulder. So we have a shoulder on the left right here. We have a head in the middle. And we have a right shoulder right here. But you can also view this more as a cup and handle formation, like where you just look at it like this, where we have a cup and then the handle, and then we break the resistance. And it's not the first time, guys, that gold is front running Bitcoin. So that's why I wanted to show this chart, because based on its structure, it's looking very similar to Bitcoin. However, it's already further down the road. So if I add the Bitcoin price right here, you will see what I mean. So when we zoom in right here, we can see that when Bitcoin topped in 2018, gold also came down. We had the bear market low in Bitcoin. Gold already was going up. So gold was here front running Bitcoin, right? Front running Bitcoin, showing a lot of strength. And afterwards, Bitcoin followed, right? Gold topped in 2020. Bitcoin topped a little bit later. Afterwards, gold is coming down. Bitcoin is coming down. We actually had the low roughly like, yeah, the bear market low in gold happened again earlier than in Bitcoin. Gold again front running Bitcoin. Then gold going up, and Bitcoin eventually follows gold. So yeah, why wouldn't we follow gold in this similar pattern right now? Because it really looks like gold is doing a pattern in the longer term time frames that we are seeing with Bitcoin on a shorter term time frame. It's like gold on steroids kind of thing. So right now, gold actually breaking out is actually pretty bullish, right? And we first already have like this front one here in gold, but right now we also have a breakout of gold from their sideways consolidation, as you can see right here. So we have some sideways consolidation, And this is the latest breakout of gold. So yeah, I think it's definitely possible that gold is front running Bitcoin right here. So it will also be interesting to see when gold is actually going to really top, because maybe when gold is topping and is really rolling over into a longer correction, we might not very far away in the future, we might see something similar happening to Bitcoin. Anyway, guys, this was just a chart I wanted to share. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. If you like this video, guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up. That is very much appreciated. I want to wish every one of you a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video. Bye-bye.